Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting in your Android mobile. Okay, there are 2 or 3 methods which you by which you can solve this issue, Wi-Fi not connecting in Android mobile. So what you have to do, first you have to open setting. Okay, so I'm going to open the setting. Okay, here you will see connections option. First go to the connection option. Okay, then here you will see Wi-Fi option. Click on this Wi-Fi and wait for a few seconds, and here you will see 3 dots. Okay, click on the 3 dots and go to advanced setting. So when you go to advanced setting, here you will see manage networks. Click on manage networks, and if you want to connect to this Wi-Fi. Okay, I want to connect this Wi-Fi, so what I have to do, you have to click on it. So when you click on it, here you will see forget option. Okay, just forget the network. Okay, and then try again to connect the Wi-Fi network. If it is not still not working, not connecting, Wi-Fi is not connecting still, so what you have to do, you have to go back, and then here you will see scroll down, and here you will see general management option. Okay, click on the general management. Okay, then here you will see reset option. Click on reset, then reset mobile Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. Click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi setting. Now click on setting, reset setting. Okay, and then you will definitely able to connect Wi-Fi in your Android mobile. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.